pumping. So, and more or less, this is the situation everywhere. And the cost of production is 35 rupees per kiloliter. And I hope this 35 rupees does not include the capex. It doesn't include the capex. So you can imagine the cost of water production in the urban area, and this figure of 35 becomes 78 in case of Bangalore. And I'm just talking about the operation and maintenance part. So one of the very important issue for which the planners have to look into is that what is the activity of water supply? Is it a service sector or is it a commercial sector? And this discussion is going on for a very long time, whether the capex should be loaded on the water tariff or whether the capex should not be loaded. And if it is not loaded, then who is going to meet the capex of the plant? So one thing is very clear in our country, that we are following a system of cross subsidy, that the people who are at the lower strata of the society will pay less and the people who are consuming more. So that's perfectly well settled issue now. But now the issue is also come up that to provide certain quantity of water free of cost to the people also. So these are the very important issue that which one has to think. The second thing is that why we are not in a position to revise our water tariff in time. I just give an example of Bangalore city. In the month of November last year, we revised the water tariff after a gap of 9 years. That means for the 9 years, because of some or other reason, as he's mentioning, some election will come, then a parliament election will come, then the corporation election will come, and nobody was ready to even touch it. And 9 years, like, the board was virtually bankrupt. And that is the time when we told that no, either you have to close the board or you have to make a revision. At least I should get my operation and maintenance. Now, can something be done to take out this whole issue of water tariff out of the a political decision? Why it cannot be a body like what we have a power regulatory authority, whether similar kind of arrangement can be done for the water also, so that at least somebody is not blamed for that. Another very important thing which he touched upon was the 60 MLD of water is coming from the borewell.